Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to remove the Gemini AI watermark from this picture right here, as you can see. Now here I have this picture. You just have to first download it on your PC. After downloading it, you should download Affinity by Canva. So here, as you can see, I have Affinity by Canva. I just have to open it. Then now what you should do is to click on this option right here, open. Then go and open the photo that you want to remove the watermark from. And here in my case, it is this photo. And now you want to select the photo from this side right here. So select the photo just like so. Then go and select pixel. Then go and select this option in painting brush tool. If you cannot find it here, you can click on these customize tools and search for in painting brush tool. Then click on it like so, and it will appear just right here. Now you have to get this in painting brush tool, then highlight the logo like this, and it will be disappeared like so. Now click on Ctrl plus S to save it, Ctrl plus S to save the photo, and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.